परम करुणा कहूँ दुई जना निताई गौरचंद्रा। सबावतार सारा से रमणी केवल आनंद कंदा। भजा भजा भाई चैतन्य निताई सुदृढ़ विश्वास कोरी। संसार छाड़िया सेरा से माजिया मुखे बोलो हरि हरि। विषय छाड़िया सेरा से माजिया मुखे बोलो हरि हरि। बोलो रे भाई देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवन नाई हे मन दयाल दाता। पशु पाखे झोरे पाषाण बेदरे शुणी जार गुण गाथा। संसारे मजिया रोहिली परिया से पदे नहिल आशा। पर अपना करम भुंजाए सामन कहे लोचन दास। परम करुणा कहूँ दुई जना निताई गौरचंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा
जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा
जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा
जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा
जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा
जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा
Dear devotees, we are going to start today a new topic in Chaitanya Bhagavata, chapter 14, Lord's travel to East Bengal and the disappearance of Lakshmi Priya. So Nimai Pandit is already established teacher in Navadvip, plus he has defeated Digvijay, he has married before that, he also got married to Lakshmi Priya. Now, because as a Gruhastha, he has to earn some money, so he is traveling to East Bengal. Lord doesn't need anything. He is complete. He who can manifest trillions of universes. Sometime, I feel embarrassed that Lord is going to East Bengal to earn some money. That looks so odd, right? But then, this is divine Leela. This is nothing to, we should not see Lord's Leela using our mundane eye. So, we will now read from text 1 onwards. Jaya Jaya Mahaprabhu Sri Gaura Sundara Jaya Nityananda Priya Nitya Kalebara Jaya Jaya Sri Pradyumna Mishra Rajivana Jaya Sri Paramananda Puri Pranadhana. So, our Vrindavan Das Thakur, the author, is praying Gaurasundara as Nityananda Prana, as Pradyumna Mishra Prana. Why Pradyumna Mishra? Anybody who can say? Pradyumna Mishra is one of his dear disciples. Where? In Jagannath Puri. The same Pradyumna Mishra who doubt Raya Ramanand, because when Mahaprabhu would say, please go and learn the science of Krishna consciousness from Raya Ramanand. So Pradyumna Mishra will go and see that Raya Ramanand is actually doing Shrungara of Devadasis who normally sing for Jagannath. And when he saw that, he realized, this cannot be, probably there is, Mahaprabhu made some mistake. But later his ignorance was removed. So Mahaprabhu is Nityananda Prabhu's prana, he is Pradyumna Mishra's prana, Paramananda Puri's prana, and Jaya Jaya Sarva Vaishnava Radhana prana, Kripa Drishti Kara Prabhu Sarva Jive Trana. And all Vaishnavas, their life and soul is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay? And the author is praying, O Lord Chaitanya, please shower your Krupa. And particularly, today I would pray to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that please do Krupa. Bahut ho gaya, COVID pandemic. Now Krupa, do some Krupa. India, everybody is saying Hahakar in India. The whole world is talking that India is in complete mess. And so Mahaprabhu, if Indians will not preach, then who would preach? And please do something. Adi Khanda Katha Bhai Sune Eka Mane Viprarupe Krishna Bihari Leno Yamane. My dear brothers, please hear with attention the topics of Adi Khanda, wherein the pastimes of Krishna in the form of a Brahmana are described. In this way, Lord of Vaikuntha continually enjoyed his scholastic pastimes with his students. Last chapter we saw how he defeated Digvijay Pandit. The Lord enjoyed scholastic pastimes with his students throughout all the villages of Navadip. Everyone throughout Navadip heard that Nimai Pandit was the crest jewel among teachers. So, what would be the population of Navadip? It is not like in Navadip that you are seeing now. Navadip, Mahaprabhu's time must be very wealthy, very aristocrat, and extremely. I don't think that time Kolkata was even a place. Anybody has some historical evidence? How big was Kolkata that time? Somebody can look at 500 years old history of Kolkata. I don't think that will be very big. Even the wealthy materialist would get down from their palanquin to offer respect to Nimai. So just like nowadays, the wealthy people, they will travel in Mercedes Benz, while the ordinary people will travel in Maruti. Right? But those days, wealthy people will be carried by 4 people in a palanquin, while normal people would walk on feet. Everyone was filled with awe and reverence on seeing the Lord. There was no one in Navadip was not under his control. So why we had a different system? Why only palanquin? Why walking on feet? Because our culture demanded that we make more investment on spiritual emancipation than on bodily comfort. Everyone was filled with awe and reverence on seeing the Lord. There was no one in Navadip who was not under his control. Whenever any resident in Navadip would perform any pious act, he would without fail first send some foodstuffs and cloth to Lord's house. Lord displayed the pastimes of munificent person, for this is the nature of the Supreme Lord. He constantly gave gifts to the poor. Whenever Gaurahari met a poor person, he would immediately give him rice, cloth, money out of compassion. So, just see here, Baba, how Mahaprabhu is teaching us that poor people must be provided with good amount of prasadam. Guests would daily visit the Lord's house and he would always properly satisfy every one of them. Sometimes 10 or 20 sannyasis would come and the Lord would happily invite them for lunch. He would immediately send someone to inform his mother to quickly arrange lunch for 20 sannyasis. As there was nothing at home, Mother Sachi thought, how will I prepare meals for 20 sannyasis? As soon as she thought like this, someone came and delivered the necessary ingredient without her notice. Similarly, if you depend on Krishna, you have taken some project simply for the pleasure of Krishna, everything will come, automatically will come. You should not worry so much. Lakshmi Devi cooked the offering with full satisfaction and then the Lord arrived home. The Lord personally watched as the sannyasis were served their meal. After they were fully satisfied, he bid them farewell. In this way, the merciful Lord inquired about the needs of every one of his guests. Mahaprabhu taught the householders the foremost duty of householder is to serve his guest. If a householder doesn't know how to treat the guest, If in a householder house, people don't eat every day. If householder is simply eating along with his only family members, I can give a guarantee that entire family members will become dogs and cats in that very house. 100% guaranteed. I remember, forget about becoming Krishna conscious. My batch in 1987, most of you are not born, 87, right? In 87, our Vipul Arora was born. And we went to on a study trip. Those days, study trip was a very good thing. Third year, so that is the most sought after thing, because that is the first time we will go out and see the world, right? So normally our study trip was, I think I have forgotten, we went to Mumbai, from Mumbai to Goa, Goa to Bangalore, Bangalore to Ooty, Ooty to Madras, and then return. Something like that. Right? And so in Mumbai, where we will stay? And institute would only provide your tickets, right? And most of the things that you have to take care of it, your accommodation and everything, that you have to take care of it. So we had a coordinator, Purna Mahanti. He collected everyone. He was very much into it, and actually he was. And I remember those days, we had a friend called Una Anil Patra. His son came and did a intern here. He is brother, I think cousin brother, not even real brother, cousin brother. He accommodated all of us in his house, that too in Mumbai. हैं? वो सब आप, अरे हम तो बच्चे हैं ना, कोई छत पे रहा, कोई कॉरिडोर में सोया, आप लोग अगर इधर मेरा घर पे रहते तो रह जाओ, आई हैव नो इशू. I don't think at this moment we will find such people. In Mumbai, he didn't have a big house. But he has a rooftop. That helped us. And he has, I think, 2 toilets. That's it. And imagine, we were... we are almost like 50-60 people. Or more, because our base is 256. Oh, we are our department. This is a departmental trip. Yeah. So our batch had 65 students. So out of 65, at least 50 were there. And somebody could accommodate. It was amazing. And those who are not Odia people, no, they were amazed. Because Mumbai is the costliest place. And we had out of, whatever the total trip, Mumbai we had almost like 3 days or so. If you would have taken hotel or something, all our wallet would have been. But those days, you see, people were so generous, so generous. Nowadays, where you will find? Where you will find this generosity? Okay? And so a householder should be very generous. Very generous. I had taken some 40 students of our department in 2002 to an industrial trip. But here, IIT had more money. But students were pretty good. I had a very good, they listened They were not like nowadays. So, so anyway, so,
बर्तन लेके आए थे
huh?
बैंगलोर से बर्तन
Bangalore se I brought bartan, right? Yeah. Where are those bartans?
है ना
Those steel bartans?
हाँ।
Huh? Yeah. 20 years. So many things we have done by. Huh? In 20 years, my only lamentation here would be going to UK. That's the only lamentation. Huh? Huh? No, diabetic nahi. That's a waste of time. That 2 years I can say I did nothing. Although I used to come regularly here. If I would have said that I will do preaching in West, UK I could have done. It would have been, if I would have stayed, because I would have become UK citizen, and then, I was a very powerful position there. That time I was reader, 2007. Girijas was a lecturer, because of whom I was appointed there. And I was a reader. Reader means senior lecturer and then reader. So I could have easily gone to the mainland of UK and started preaching. Okay. But my mind was set here, because we will come back and do program here. And that is why these 2 years we do, this is a waste of time. This is absolute waste of time. And but we saw very dark world. It's very easy to say we'll go out. Although India is poverty stricken, still, any place you go to India, you can gather people and make. You see that we did a program, free Bhagavad Gita course, right? 1500 registered, 300 heard every day. You can't do that. You can't get, you won't have that luxury in West. This is not possible. And East, what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Bharata bhumite hoila janama jara, janma sarthaka kari parab. The day Sarvatma Sam would say that I am in Brahmabhuta Prasannatma platform, I'll kick him and send him, get lost. Now your job is go out and preach. Any one of you say that I am in Brahmabhuta Prasannatma platform. That is minimum necessary. All Indian young boys should aspire to attain Brahmabhuta Prasannata platform. And then we can send you anywhere. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Wherever you want. All over the world you can go and preach. This is not an issue. So Mahaprabhu, anybody who had any occasion, because those days, for everything you will have a samskara. Birth samskara, namakarana samskara, anna prasanna samskara, vidyadana samskara, then upanayana samskara, vivaha samskara, putra janma samskara. So samskara. So every day there must be thousands of samskaras in thousands of families. So who is the best person to give donation? Nimai Pandit. So what is that? Nimai Pandit doesn't need any. He doesn't have to earn anything. So Nimai Pandit got so much every day, he will distribute to poor. without any inhibition. Huh? If a householder does not serve his guests, he is considered lower than the birds and beasts. If due to his previous impious activities does not have anything, then he should satisfy his guest with a straw mat and some water and place to lie down. This is minimum you should do. I have seen many wonderful people, many wonderful people, and I have eaten in so many, they are very poor. There is a lady, very elderly lady, and she used to take care of us very nicely. And every day she would come, take to her house, and only thing that she would have is ragi. Okay? And she would feed us ragi. And we liked ragi. Plain boiled ragi, she would prepare with some little salt. We were not like this, our crazy kids. If you don't have burger, pizza, and talawa cheese, we will not eat. Chow mein, not. And then there was another. When I was in Chaudhar, there was another person. So there, they were very poor people. There are two, girls, and they are living there. So whenever I reach in that village, and Bhagwan Das, my father's colleague, would not be there, so they would immediately come and call me and feed me pakhal and achar. Satisfied, fully satisfied. Huh? So, actually, we have many in India, there are many people, they are poor family, but highly cultured family. And we need to take Krishna consciousness to such families. In India, we have many of these families. They are waiting Krishna consciousness. Okay. In the houses of pious people, there may be scarcity of rice or other staples due to poverty. But so I forgot. So even if you have nothing, you should, when guest comes, you wash their feet and then give them a straw mat to sit down and at least give a glass of water to drink. That anybody can do. Anybody can do. Huh? Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur is writing, the greedy Prakrita Sahajiyas who are cruel and expert in satisfying their tongues and valleys are presently identifying themselves as the preachers of cult of Chaitanya Chandra. Thus they cheat Vaishnava sannyasis from the rightful share of straw mats. In order to expose their opposition to him, Sri Chaitanya Chandra has exhibited these real householder pastimes. Lord has instructed everyone by his activities appropriate to a householder of showing proper respect to guests and sannyasis. But some people, though identifying themselves as his followers, act just as opposite. A few years ago in the city of Dhaka, a greedy Brahmana who was a so-called disciple of a caste Goswami and who earned his livelihood by selling the holy name, mantras and Srimad Bhagavatam, behaved in an extremely cruel manner with a few Tridandi sannyasis and brahmacharis who had arrived there as guests in order to deprive them from receiving Vishnu's noon offering. In order to protect people from such behavior, the Lord personally exhibited the pastimes of giving shelter and foodstuff to guests and sannyasis. Alas, thus consider the Lord's pastime of affectionate and careful distribution of indiscriminatory mercy to the guests and sannyasis. And then consider the endeavors of persons who are averse to Chaitanya, who in the name of preaching is called, harass and oppose guests and sannyasis who are under the shelter of Sri Chaitanya. Not only in the city of Dhaka, a few days ago, in Kulyanagara, some such people with the help of few fierce miscreants, rather than offering respect, unfairly attacked innocent Vaishnava sannyasis, Brahmanas and devotee women who had come to participate in circumambulation of the Dham. All these are simply unfavorable endeavors against teachings of Sri Chaitanya. See, actually, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur is narrating his experience of preaching different places, how Prakrita Sahajas are creating menace everywhere. So you see that looking at this, our distribution during COVID pandemic is perfect. If you look at here, it's very perfect. In the houses of pious people, there may be a scarcity of rice or other staples due to poverty, but a straw mat, water, resting place and sweet words should always be available for serving guests. So, in Manu Samhita 3.10 it is said, Trunade bhumirudakam bhaka chaturthi chava sunruta etani api satam gehe no chidyante kadachana. In the house of pious people, there may be a scarcity of rice or other staples due to poverty, but a straw mat, water, resting place and sweet words should always be available for serving a guest. We met one person in, you are there in that school? एक स्कूल जो गए थे, तुम नहीं था उसमें? I'm asking him. Jharkhand. They wanted to give us that school. वो स्कूल हमें चलाने के लिए कह रहे थे. Padma knows it. और स्कूल चलाने के लिए हमें कह रहे थे. बहुत अच्छी एनवायरनमेंट में है, बहुत अच्छी एनवायरनमेंट. एक्चुअली वी शुड नॉट सिट कंफर्टेबली एंड ईट नाइसली लाइक अभी हम कर रहे हैं. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा मुझे. बस आराम से खा लो, पेट भर के खा लो, बस पोटी करो. ये क्या है? हैं? If one has nothing more to offer, he should apologize without duplicity. So I was telling in that the person who is running is so poor, some BHP people reached his house, said we are 6 people are coming or 7 people coming, something like that. And they reached, and this husband and wife, they in their उनके घर पे कुछ नहीं था. So they were scratching their head and they are waiting, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. So अंदर जाके one person saw they have nothing, scratching their head. तो बोले यारी बस पानी पिला दो, just feed us water, we will be satisfied. So people, it is not important. In Krishna consciousness, we are not looking for rice, chawal. If somebody rich, then we will be after him. No. Somebody has bhav for Krishna, we need to associate. If somebody is able to jump up and down while chanting Hare Krishna, they are our best friend. Not that person who is... My first experience of Sankirtan with Krishnan sir was in Green Park. And near that there is a shopping complex, I think Aurobindo Market or something. And as we went there for Kirtan, this is the first time Kirtan in Delhi we did. Wow! For the first time I saw how people came out. and danced with us. और मिल्क ठंडाई होता ना, मिल्क ठंडाई, कोई मिल्क ठंडाई दे रहा है तो कोई वो क्या है वो जूस, क्या है मैंगो जूस, क्या है उसको क्या रे, नहीं मैंगो, अरे वे क्या होता है ना, फ्रूटी फ्रूटी सब हैं, और वो सब दे रहे हैं तो वी आर लुकिंग एट सर बिकॉज वी डिडंट नो वेदर वी शुड टेक दैट और नॉट. So they were giving and we are not even looking at. But it was amazing experience. When we used to do in Bits Pilani, there is a marketplace. In that marketplace, when we went for kirtan, so fruit vendors will give us some fruits free. Some सब्जी वाला कुछ सब्जी भी फ्रूट्स फ्रीली देंगे. तो ऐसे होता था, ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 दिन का राशन हमको मिल जाता था ऐसे ही. मतलब राशन बटोरने हैं. And those days I remember when we used to do kirtan, I always used to feel Gaurang Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu are with us. Always. If one has nothing more to offer, he should apologize without duplicity. Then he is not guilty of neglecting his guest. If a householder happily serves his guest without duplicity, and according to his ability, he is considered hospitable. Therefore, the Lord personally invited his guest with great respect. All those guests were more fortunate, for they received the foodstuff directly from Lakshmi Narayana. Why Lakshmi Narayana? Because Gaurasundara's wife is Lakshmi and Gaurasundara himself is Narayana. Those foodstuffs were so wonderful that they were desired by even the demigods headed by Brahma. Yet now they were eaten by one and all. In reply to this, someone said, it is not possible for ordinary person to receive such foodstuffs. Brahma, Shiva, Sukadeva, Vyasadeva, Narada, as well as demigods and siddhas who travel according to their desire, all knew that Lakshmi Narayana had appeared in Navadip. They therefore all visited Lord's house to beg alms in the form of mendicants. So all demigods would come as a mendicant and will become voluntarily guest in the house of Nimai Pandit. So now also, if you want Mahaprabhu is somewhere in some other universe, if you desire to get foodstuff from the hands of Lakshmi Narayana, immediately after your transmigration, Mahaprabhu will take you exactly the same place. Someone else said, Lord has incarnated to deliver the distressed. He therefore employs various means for their deliverance. Demigods headed by Brahma are born from the limbs of the Supreme Lord. They are always associated with the Lord. Still in this incarnation, He has promised to give that which is rarely attained by even Brahma. Therefore, the Lord personally fed the distressed in His house in order to deliver them. Lakshmi Devi cooked alone, yet she felt supremely blissful. As the fortunate mother, Sachi observed the character of Lakshmi. Her joy increased every hour of the day. Can you imagine? That means hundreds of people every day ate in the house of Nimai Pandit. Externally, Nimai Pandit's earning is 0. I don't know how much you must be getting as a popular teacher. Maybe students must be giving something, right? But every day, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds will eat in his house. And Lakshmi personally cooked. What a wonderful thing. Today I was hearing one Garuda Purana story. Garuda Purana against eating meat. The story is like this. It is a very nice story that in one kingdom there was a famine, no rain, and whatever reserve was there was finished. So king invited all ministers, including prime minister. Said that people are going hungry, what should we feed? What is cheapest thing we can feed? Because in this rain, the rice and dal has become the costliest item. So then one fellow, I'm forgetting what is his role, he got up and said, "Sir, meat is cheapest now. We should go kill deers in the in the jungle and feed people." And then everybody agreed, except Prime Minister. So king asked, "Why are you silent?" He said, I don't agree with that, but give me a day, after which I am going to explain why I don't agree. So he has to give some explanation, right? Why? Because he said the point is that meat is cheapest thing, right? So that was said. So then everybody left for their houses, respective houses. Prime Minister reached the first minister who proposed that meat be fed to people, which is cheapest now. And then when that person saw Prime Minister is coming, so his heart started palpitating, because that fellow was simply, without thinking, he said meat, just to placate the king. And now what happened? When he saw, he got frightened. He said, "Sir, welcome, welcome. What happened?" Now king is very sick. King is sick. So what he wants? Now he wants meat. So fine, but why you are coming me? No. 2 ounces of your heart is sufficient to cure him. I am ready to, I have brought with me 1 lakh gold coin I will give you. So that fellow said, if I take your 1 lakh gold coin, but you take my heart, so what is the use? So, no, I cannot give. So then he says, "No, king is sick. You said you should eat meat. And king, the Vaidya has already recommended only meat for the king." Then he said, "I am giving you 10 lakh gold coin, but don't tell the king that you came to me and I denied. Don't tell that." And similarly, all the ministers, one by one, he went in that night. And they all gave 10 lakh gold coin and said, "Don't tell the king that you came to my house." So, by visiting all these ministers, he collected almost 1 crore, more than 1 crore gold coins. But he could not get 2 ounces of meat. So, next day when everybody, early morning everybody came and they wanted to see how sick is king. And Prime Minister is also there, but he has a big bori filled with gold coins. And Then he said that, and then king came, and everybody saw king is very healthy. Then what this prime minister was doing there? He was cheating us, lying us. And then prime minister got up when king came and said, "Sir, here is 1 crore gold coin, and I could not manage 2 ounces of meat." And then everybody put their head down. Right? So this proves that meat is costliest. Okay. And then king realized, and then he said, okay, let us get the water from the groundwater and do irrigation. And lot of gold coin already the prime minister has collected. So he used that, and the entire kingdom was fed with ample amount of rice and dal. Right? So this is a story from Garuda Purana. We should stop here. 9:30. So we saw how demigods headed by headed by Brahma, every day some demigods would come as a mendicant, and they would beg in the house of Nimai Pandit, and they would have the privilege to eat food cooked by Lakshmi, Swayam Lakshmi. So this is what is happening in Navadip. Let us joyfully remember how Nimai Pandit and his wife Lakshmi, or Mahaprabhu and his wife Lakshmi, Priya, they fed as a Grihastha thousands and thousands and thousands. Okay? Grihasthas must feed others. Okay? Thank you very much. Sri Sri Lakshmi Nrsimhadev Bhagwan ki jai. Srila Giriraj Krishna ki jai. Sri Sri Radha Raman Ji ki jai. Gaur Pramanande Hari Hari Bol. Question. In one of the anecdote, I heard that when Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who is saying that? Anmal Avasthi, wanted to take Gauri Krishna Das Babaji to get him treated for eye to Calcutta. Gauri Krishna Das Babaji immediately refused that he would never go to Calcutta because it was the personification of Kali and a most dreaded place with thieves and hobgoblins robbing anyone and everyone, and girls molested and abducted. That was Calcutta just 100 years back. अरे 100 साल की पहले की बात मत करो. I am talking 500 years ago. Any city is like that. Any city. Which city is not full of sin? You are living in Jamshedpur. If you really observe Jamshedpur's the dark side of Jamshedpur, you yourself will vomit and will commit suicide. So that is true for any city. The moment the city, someone told me in Bhubaneswar, there are places there are only prostitutes. That means these college students, girls, they all go and sell their body. I don't know how far this is true, but this is what it is. Once something becomes city, that means you become unknown entity. So you can do any sinful activity. Any sinful activity. Okay? Alright. So Pranjal Yadav, present day Kolkata is combination of 3 villages. Kalikata, Govindpuri and Sutaniti. Sir, how to cultivate the quality of generosity? If you have Krishna consciousness, all generosity would come. Next. Okay, so we stop here. 9:35. Tomorrow we meet again for Bhagavatam. Tomorrow we have the most important verse, so please join right time, 8:30 in the morning. Bhagavatam. Ete chamsa kala pungsa krishnastu bhagavan swam indriyadi vyakulam lokam mridayanti yuge yuge. So that is the verse. Very wonderful verse is there. And please join in right time. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.